Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So if I double a number again and again 4 times and finally I get 40. So what was the original number? Most people answered it wrong at first glance. So let's solve it step by step. Don't skip because the trick is very simple. So the question is, if you double a number 4 times, the result is 40. So what is the number? This means you start with a number, you double it, then double again. Total 4 times doubling. Then final result is 40. So what common mistake people think? So that means doubling 4 times means multiply 4, which is wrong. Doubling means multiply 2. Doubling twice means multiply 2, multiply 2. Doubling 4 times. They have given doubling 4 times. This means multiply 2, multiply 2, multiply 2, multiply 2. So doubling means here 16, not 4. I hope it's clear. So let's solve this. First, let the original number be x. So first we double. So we get 2x. Second double, we get 4x. Third double, we get 8x. And we have next fourth double, we get 16x. So the question says that 16x is equals to 40. Now divide both sides by 16. So x is equals to 40 by 16, which is x is equals to 2.5. So the original number is 2.5. Or you can do instead of multiplying forward, so you can let's reverse it. So start from 40, then half it four times. What it looks like? 40 method 2 divided by 2 gives 20. 20 divided by 2 gives 10. 10 divided by 2 gives 5. And 5 divided by 2 gives 2.5. Same answer, but faster thinking. So did you get 2.5 on your first try? Comment yes or no below. Like if this logic was easy. Subscribe for daily brain teasing math. Share with someone who loves puzzle. Thank you so much for watching this video.